Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to create the actual scene and the graphics. But before we are going to do that, we are first going to fix two things. The first thing is change this to current menu item. The second thing is copy and paste this here, for each menu button in buttons, do this. Change the buttons dot scene image. Dot scene image is same as button dot normal color, and change just to make sure current menu item to 0, just as the old menu item also to 0, just to make sure. So what we are now going to do, I'm very sorry, I've got one last thing, add here color tool. What we're now going to do is create the circle itself, and we're going to create it in GIMP, and here we see an example. We are going to create a new image and delete the background and create a new layer and change color to 50 and select the circle, and just the circle is just as height and is same height and width as the image itself, so just like this, and just color it in. Then add a layer mask and do the select and then shrink it by 175 and then paint that black and export it as a circle menu.png somewhere in your asset folder, and then create beneath your main camera a new canvas and change this to screen space camera, attach the camera to it, change this to scale with screen size, and also add an image called 0 and change the layer of the canvas to UE, and add here the circular menu and first add one button. What we are now going to do is change the name to 0 and change the color, and for some reason it isn't updated, but change to this and just make it this around here or so, this one to here or so, and this one even lighter, and change and just make it 4 of them. Now change this sprite to the circular menu. First we need to change it to the UE a UE texture, so go to your texture and change it to 2D in UE and apply it. Change then this sprite to this image and make it a little bit bigger. So just first this and just make this big as you want, but for now I'm going to create it somewhere around 250 maybe. Yeah, that's fine. And do this too, because we're going to make 4, I'm going to put this, and also make sure you're at the back and create this to filed and change this to .25, so that's a fourth of it, and rotate this 180. Then duplicate it and change this to 80 or yeah 90, but I mean change duplicated can change to 0, duplicated one less time and change to -90, and then attach all the scripts to it. And then it should work. So I think that was all done for this tutorial. So as you can see, I've got one less thing, and that are to first make the size of this to 1 and change this all to that alpha is the maximum, and just change the size to 4, 1, image 1, 2, image 2, 3, image 3, and now it should work. So as you can see, you can select it. If you click this one, so just clear this, if you click this one, maybe you remember it. If you click the first one, it should say this, you have pressed the first button. So I think that was all for this tutorial. If you got any questions, please ask below, and I see you guys next week, and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please leave a like or subscribe.